day has finally come, guys. It's installation day of my coilovers. Right, all the parts are in the trunk. Let's go. It wouldn't be Montreal if you didn't wake up to construction in the morning. Getting a breakfast wrap.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can I have 2 number 8s?
Yeah. Sausage or bacon?
Sausage.
Perfect. As combos or just the wrap?
Combos, please.
Yeah.
So, my friend doesn't know that we're coming to see him at the drive-thru. So... Jared.
You sound so different, man.
I know. He's trying to be professional, that's why. Hi, how are you? Good. The debit, please. Hey, Jared! Saw, dude.
Saw.
How are you, man?
Good morning, bro. How are you, man?
Did you know it was me ordering? No idea. Huh? Did you know?
I don't know. I just thought it was a random person. What are you guys up to?
Going to the garage and getting my coilovers put on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's doing it for me tomorrow. My tires and oil.
Oh yeah?
I have to go buy the oil later though.
Okay.
You guys free all day?
Well, me until like 7 because I go back to work tomorrow.
Can I go for cigarette? No, don't listen to him.
Maybe if you want to see my car lower.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Meet me here.
Yeah? Okay.
All-wheel drive charger.
So just showed up at Tony's shop. If you ever wonder where I get my stuff done, it's here, VIP shop. You heard it now. A lot of nice cars here though. Ooh, there's a Mustang for sale. How much? How much is he asking? It's manual too? Okay. I think it's a 4.6 though. It might be. Still though, Mustang.
You're pumping your brake pedal off 2 times more and you replace the car.
Queen. Those are the back ones. Tony, man, you're like in almost every video. Oh, the tires are coming off.
Oh, pretty light.
Not bad, huh?
Are you a racer? They're RTXs.
Yes, I'm supporting Quebec. So how rusty do these look?
You got a rust proof already, not that bad. Not too bad.
Looks dirty as fuck though.
Nah, it's mint.
Minty. So Quinn, are you excited to see what it looks like?
Yeah, man. It's not the way to be. It's the part where you go forward to the video.
So it's a good thing you started by the back because that's the hardest part apparently is the rear of the
No,
car.
the front's hard for some people, but the rear seems to be okay.
Huh.
Nothing's hard if you just take your time.
Yes. So what is going to be your name now known for these videos, Tony?
Probably the hammer.
The hammer.
So I'll probably have to use that for a while to get the front off.
At least my brakes are pretty mint.
What brakes?
Who needs brakes anymore?
Does that work? Do you even lift, bro?
Oh no. So I just found out one of my coils is actually broken from my stock suspension, so... Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! So, that's the back. All broken. Good thing I'm changing them. God damn. It's pretty bad.
People say American muscle to my car, you know, like it's built in Quebec.
So, old rear suspension, old and new. Big difference. Look at this, the difference in the spring here.
The new one's smaller, the other one's even broken too.
So we were thinking that the suspension has been in there since this car was created back in '06
In Mexico,
in Mexico.
across the Trump wall.
And what is it you said about this one? That's pretty much that.
I pull it down, it doesn't go back up.
Oh. Gotta be very careful. You don't want this to explode in your face.
Well, we're trying to decide a bit more civilized instead of ripping it out.
What about this spring? Is it gonna crack too?
It probably already is.
It's so bad. Look at him chug that water.
Oh, that's good. Now we're starting
So,
to do
progress so far.
reinstallation.
So, we took
Well,
everything off,
I
basically?
took all the things that want to kill you off.
Okay,
Now we can start doing the low things and put the lowing parts on.
yeah.
I don't know why that they built these things good. Steel. Not aluminum. Hey, if all crack, your wheel falls off and you die.
Alright.
It's literally random muffler you got and have fun putting it back on. You did a res delete,
Yeah.
and here's the muffler.
You're exposing his setup.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, sorry.
People want to
It's all
know.
good, man. You have to know.
Just gonna have to bleep it
You
out.
see nothing. There's nothing here. But what I could, we all show is this amazing bent rebar exhaust hanger.
So if you want to know Merv's exhaust bill, just go and ask Tony.
No, don't ask Tony. Ask the hammer.
The hammer. Oh. Started to put this here. This one.
You put the rubber onto the thing and you go have fun.
You did that for that side too?
You need to put the rubber on the thing.
Put the rubber. It looks so nice and shiny. It's gonna last like a week.
Not for the rain tomorrow.
Very excited. So, putting the new shock. Old hammer, new hammer.
Hammer. Oh.
Oh.
Good. So grimy. There's no one that isn't so grimy that isn't rusty.
So Tony was saying that he already can feel the difference, or see the difference in the
The hub used to be here, now it's here already.
so excited to see how this turns out, man.
No.
No? I feel like I saw one.
It's coming along. Just gotta add this up there. Very nice.
This is gonna be low. When you want a long ratchet but don't have one, 3 hose clamps, a piece of rebar, and a shitty ratchet works perfect. Cause America.
Show us how it works.
You make sure it's in the right direction. You get in the hole with your long thing. Make sure she's happy though before you go. Make sure. There you go. And just a little extra leverage. That's nice.
Back is done. Gonna put on the tires after and see how it sits. Might have to adjust this, the height, but for now, it's pretty good. Oh yeah.
Break the rust.
Rust this is. Look at it, it's smoking. It was.
Oh boy.
Yo, what is this? Fresca.
Copyright.
So quick little break. Just went to get some drinks. It's actually really nice today. It's supposed to be like 23 or something. So just enjoying the weather. Gonna go see the car now. It's over there being worked on. All you see is metal and debris falling off.
And wood.
Wood.
Don't ask where the wood came from.
Wood from the Flamin. What? Yeah.
It's hot.
It is. Because it's you.
Front end's all apart now. That's what slow looks like.
Rip.
Front's all apart. Now it's lunchtime. Gang.
Quick little break. Trans Am, Tony. Gonna fire it up.
Oh, dirty. Dusty.
American Muscle.
Not remote dead.
Oh no.
So dusty.
V8 things.
206,000 kilometers.
There we go. She's alive. V8. So good. May 1st.
Soon.
Coming soon. Very soon.
Coming soon to a drag strip near you.
I spotted a Bentley Bentayga. It's so expensive. Why?
It's too expensive.
Too expensive. It looks nice though. It looks nice. Hello? We're using that wrench, that key.
Yes.
He's making twisties. What, the bottom one and the top one, what do they?
This is just a lock.
Okay. I see.
Lock, he's recording.
Oh yeah.
That's so special. I'm on a YouTube channel. There's what? It's like it's 7th appearance or what?
Yeah. Almost every video lately.
I'm probably low key in the background of Joey's. See me driving away and shit.
Just trying to find the hole, ladies and gentlemen. Will he find it?
Nobody knows.
Oh,
Oh,
I put it in the hole.
he's now a man. Done. Just got bolted in. Just gotta put this on, and it should be good to go. I'll obviously do the adjustments, the height adjustments, all that on my own time. Just trying to get it on the car now.
You know it's real when you're sweating.
Put in that work. Wheels are going on.
And there's less gap in the cars in the air still.
Oh no. This is fun and scary at the same time. I want to see how much lower it's gonna be. Oh boy.
Might have to go home and get the steelies to make it fit.
And my car's on a bit of spacer too, so.
Oh. You can't find the hole.
There you go. It's happening. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Oh shit. Oh my god. I think we can go a little bit lower, but it's good for now.
You can't get it off.
Yo!
Can't get it off the lift.
No.
He can't even get it off. Oh jeez. What? What's slow?
Oh.
Finally!
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Took a bit of time, but it's all worth it. Bert, what do you think?
It's not low enough, man.
Not low enough. Need more low.
Gotta go lower.
Straight from the adult to the shop saying it needs more low. So, do you think it needs more low? You think it needs more low?
Yeah.
Needs more low still.
It's the ground.
That's what we all think. Should be slanted to the ground. Oh, Matt, that you?
Here we go. Oh my god. Woo! Jeez. Jeez. Tell me how the stock suspension weighs a lot more.
Oh my. There's more to it.
It's done. Thank you, Tony.
Gang.
If you ever need anything, make sure to go to his shop.
Show the sign.
Show him the stuff. Yeah. That's it.
Gang.
Guys, so the installation's done. I'm happy with it. Thank you again, Tony. Thank you, Quinn, for helping me film and everything. Appreciate it. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this car now. So like usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.